everyone, welcome to this explainer. Today we're tackling something absolutely crucial, but honestly, kind of confusing if you've never done it before. We're going to walk through exactly how to secure your SSS funds by enrolling your disbursement account step by step. So if you've been putting this off, don't worry, we're doing it together right now. So, you're ready to claim your SSS benefits, right? But where exactly is that money going to go? Getting your hard-earned cash safely and quickly into your own hands is literally the whole point of this explainer. Online portals can feel a bit overwhelming, I know, but we're going to break it down so it's actually super straightforward.
All right, here is our game plan for today. We're going to cover accessing your SSS account, finding the enrollment module, entering your account details, uploading your supporting documents, and finally, finalizing your enrollment. Let's get right into it.
Number 1, accessing your SSS account and logging into the portal.
Okay, first things first, we need to get to the right place. Step 1, open up your browser and type sss.gov.ph directly into the address bar. I always recommend typing it out instead of just searching for it, just to make 100% sure you're on the real, authentic government site. Step 2, just securely log into your My.SSS account. Moving right along to part 2, finding the enrollment module. Now that you're logged in, look up at the top navigation bar. You're going to see a tab that says E-Services. Go ahead and click that, and a drop-down menu is going to pop up. Right there, you'll want to click on the option that says Disbursement Account Enrollment Module. Right after you click that, a page full of reminders will show up. Now, I know it's tempting to just scroll past, but definitely take a quick second to actually read them. Once you're done, look at the bottom for a little tick box that says You certify you've read and understood everything. Just check that box and hit that big blue Proceed button. And that brings us to step 3, entering your account details and bank info. Okay, listen up, because this is the absolute most important part. You have to be meticulously accurate here. If you mix up even a single number, your money could get seriously delayed or totally rejected by the bank. So double or honestly triple check your details before you even think about moving forward. The form is actually set up to help prevent those mistakes, which is great. At the top, you choose your enrollment option, either a regular bank or an e-wallet. After you pick your bank from the dropdown, you'll type in your account number. And notice right below that, there's a spot to confirm it. You have to type the whole thing out a second time just to guarantee absolute precision. Okay, section 4, uploading supporting documents to build your security profile. Now, before you start attaching anything, we really need to talk about the system's strict technical rules. If you skip this, you are definitely going to get hit with some frustrating error messages. Your files absolutely must be readable, in color, and saved as either a JPEG or a PDF. The size limit is super strict, maxing out at exactly 1 megabyte per document. Oh, and keep your file names simple, between 1 and 50 characters, and no weird special characters like hashtags or percentage signs. Once your files are the right size and format, you're going to upload 3 specific things. First is your proof of account. This has to show your account name, account number, and the bank's name all together. Second is your proof of identification. So a clear copy of your SS or UMID card or another valid government ID with your photo and signature. And finally, the selfie. But hey, this isn't just any selfie. You have to be holding both your proof of account and your valid ID right up next to your face to completely prove it's really you.
Almost done. Section 5, finalizing your enrollment, where we submit and wait.
Once you've reviewed everything and clicked submit, you can officially take a breath. You don't need to sit there refreshing the page all day. The system takes over from here and automatically processes it. Eventually, you're just going to get an official email straight from My.SSS telling you the final status of your application. And just like that, you are completely done. See? Not so bad. By following these steps, sticking to the file size limits, and making sure your photos are crystal clear, you're basically guaranteeing a super smooth experience. Now that you have secured your payout method, the only real question left for you is, what are you going to do with those hard-earned benefits? Start brainstorming, and thanks for hanging out with us on this explainer. Catch you next time.